Hello, if you want to add, change or even remove a payment method in the Play Store, I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open the Play Store on your Android phone and go to the profile icon in the top right corner. Then tap on Payments and Subscriptions. On this page, tap on Payment Methods. On top you can see your current saved payment method, for example here a Visa credit card. If you want to add a payment method to your Google account and Play Store, just tap here right under. As you can see, in my case there's only possible to add a credit or debit card, but in your case, depending on your region, it's also possible that you have other payment options such as PayPal right here or even Klarna. Once we tapped on adding a new payment method, we need to type in the payment details correctly and then tap on Save. If you want to remove a current payment method, simply tap on More Payment Settings right here. The Google account Payment Center is going to open, where you can simply remove the payment method you don't want to have anymore in your Play Store and connect it to your Google account. Once you did that, you can go back to your Play Store, and here you can see that the payment method has been removed. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.